Hello, good day everyone. I just want to share a little bit about my son who did his healing with Rashmi. So, Rashmi came to Malaysia the very first time, and there was an article in the newspaper. So, a friend of mine saw the article and she said, "Hey, why don't you go and get your son healed?" I read this article, it sounds really good, but I was reluctant because I have done so much for my son. Just name it: traditional, Western, Chinese, everything. I've done everything for my son, but nothing was working. So I didn't want to trust this 100%. But I still went to see because my friend forced me. So I went to see Rashmi, but I didn't get to see her at the very beginning. So Ravi was there. He interviewed me, but I think Rashmi is so powerful. She could sense me personally, and she sent someone to come and invite me to see her personally. My son was epilepsy and he's a cerebral palsy, so he was taking his epilepsy drugs, which was causing damage to his liver and kidney. I know how my son suffers when he gets his epilepsy. But yeah, she assured me that she's going to do the healing, and I will be able to see the changes. And yeah, I gradually stopped his medication slowly, not at one go. But after the healing, touch wood, until today, my son have not got fits. I've traveled so many other countries with my son. I even went to India, the Himalayas, and I was a bit scared that my son normally gets fits when he's tired, when his body is exhausted. But Rashmi, I called her. I said, "I really need your help. Please help me so that nothing happened to my son." And she said, "No, trust me, nothing will happen. He'll be fine." And I just can't thank her enough, because I still sit back and think, I'm a Malaysian, and I moved to New Zealand, but the only thing which was I was afraid of is because of my son's disability. Because of him, I will not get my residency. But I think what Rashmi sister has done, the best for my son. I think if I have not met her, my son will still be having his epilepsy, and that would have caused more damage to his brain and physical appearance, and even in terms of intellectual, he could have become, he could have become worse. But today I'm still thinking that what Rashmi has done for me and my son, I just can't thank her enough from my bottom of my heart, because today where I am and where my son is with me in New Zealand, we got our residency just early this year, in January. But without Rashmi, I don't think so I'll be here today. I really want to thank her from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I will never forget you, and I keep going around talking about you for what you have done for my son. And I wish Aashwasan will be able to help as many people as possible out there. Thank you. Thank you so much.